In primetime news this evening, teachers restive as wage standoff drags on.
Police hunt dangerous escapees from Constant Spring lockup.
And Jamaica Debates Commission clarifies issues ahead of political face-off. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Andrea Chisholm is here.
Janella, 138 student living is reporting weaker financial results, and the Bank of Jamaica has intervened in the foreign exchange market. I'll have those and more in the business day.
Could have sworn I heard you say 26 or something like that.
Yeah, it's a numbers game tonight. Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Archie. Well, Jamaica's athletes continue their build-up to the Tokyo World Championship. 6 of them will compete at the Lausanne Diamond League in Switzerland tomorrow. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
It's fresh water. That's the number.
Yes. Well, I don't know if there's rain now. I don't know. Romaine.
Thanks, guys. Not a lot of it. We did have cloudy conditions cover most of the Jamaica area today, and we still have those weak winds that are persisting and are expected to persist into tomorrow. We're going to see another cloudy day as we move into the weekend this week.
Cloudy, but hopefully as well cooler. You'll have to stick around for the weather report and forecast to find out more. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
All right, so Spencer, this one is for you. This evening, we are asking, what do you make of the Kishane Thompson and Noah Lyles rivalry on the track?
I don't think I need to tell folks where you can share comments, because there will be so many. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.